Hey boys and girls, this is Miss Williams. I'm bringing you your literacy lesson, and we are going to work on letter G this week. The sound for G is G, G, G. Also, it makes the J, J sound. So even though it's not a vowel, it still makes two sounds. The one we'll mainly focus on right now is the G, G sound. So our picture we have is a picture of a goose. There's the word at the bottom, goose. We have the picture of the goose. For letter G, we have the capital uppercase G, and we have the lowercase small g. For our words this week, we have 4, 5, here. So we have here, 5, and 4. So those are words to try to remember. So when you see them in books or in different places, you'll recognize those words quickly. Here is our phonics page. You can use your journal to practice writing these words. You can also practice drawing pictures. We have pig. G. So you're going to practice writing the lowercase g here. Next picture, tag. Tag. Write the letter G here. Gift. G, G, gift. Write the lowercase g in the beginning. And if you notice, it was at the end of the word, but here it was at the beginning of the word. Then you have bag for the end of the word, and then you have g, g, gain, the letter G, at the beginning of the word. So sometimes you'll hear G, the sound for G, you'll hear it at the beginning, and then also you'll hear it at the end of a word. Here's a story that's in your workbook that you'll read, and it's called Pig and Frog. And if you notice, it has the G at the end of the word, and it says, "Here is Pig at the bin. He got 4." So it has our sight words in there too. Here is Frog at the pond. She got 5. So what did she have 5 of? Pig and Frog grin. They are glad. So go through your story and see if you can find all the letter G words. Okay, now we're going to find some letter G words, some that will have the G sound, and then some that will not have the G sound. Okay, so first let's say the pictures. We have gate, goldfish, hippo, guitar, envelope, geese, grapes, that's goat, think, gorilla, garage, and then that's for no sound, girl, aardvark. So without me moving the pictures, which pictures would you put with goat? G, g, goat. Which ones have the same sound as g, g, goat? And then which pictures have that are not for letter G or don't have the same sound as G would go on this side? Which ones would you pick? Okay. All right. So here we go. Girl. G, g, girl. Aardvark. Aardvark. Garage. G, g, garage. Gorilla. Gorilla. Think. The, the. Does that make our mouth go g, g? Grapes. G, g, grapes. Gate. G, g, gate. Goldfish. G, g, goldfish. Hippo. Hippo. Tar. G, g, guitar. Envelope. Eh, envelope. Geese. G, g, geese. So remember, you can always look back at the video and practice the words that start with G and the words that make the G, G sound. So remember to practice so you can remember that letter. Also practice your sight words. Also practice your letters and your sounds so that you don't forget them. Sometimes we don't use them every day and we forget the sounds. So make sure you're practicing and reviewing your letters and also your sounds. Okay, in our workbook, you're going to find which pictures start with G. So you have gate, and then pick either goat or bus. You have goose. You can draw a line or circle it for a bat, girl, and then figure out which one you would pick. Then you have for consonant G, you're going to write the letter G, practice writing it correctly, trace it, and then pick which pictures you would draw the line to the G. So you have guitar, goose, cat, goat. And then you have bug, bag, pig, hen. So listen for the letter G sound at the end of the word on this row. Next you have pictures. You look for the word and then write it on the space, on the lines. So you have gas, g, g, gas. Circle the word, practice writing it. Bag, b, b, bag. And then pick your answer, your word, and then write it here. Log, log. Pick which word that would be, and then write it on the line. Okay, and then tomorrow we'll do blending sounds. We'll practice those tomorrow. All right, well, hope you enjoyed this video and make sure you practice letter G and the sound, practice writing the uppercase and lowercase and reviewing things that start with the letter or reviewing words that have it at the end of the word, the letter G at the end of the word. And make sure you practice reading your story. And have a good day. Bye bye.